So this video is going to be on embedding a PowerPoint into Schoology. Jennifer, I hope this is the option that helps too. Um, First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Outlook where I have a PowerPoint saved. So in this case, it's Automation Robotics PowerPoint. I want all the students to be able to see this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this private sharing, and I'm going to click on share, and I'm going to share this with people in the West Fargo Public Schools with the link, and I'm going to apply, and I might just email that also to myself for some reason. Okay, just so I have that. What that'll do is that'll change the access to this instead of private to shared. Then I'm going to click on this and open this thing up. And when I do that, I can go to File and Share, and one of the options I have is to embed. So when I click on embed, I get this embed code here. So I'm just going to right click and copy that. I can also change the size of this. I'm not going to worry about this because I've already made one video like this, and the bigger I made it, it didn't seem to work. But now I go into Schoology and I can create a page, or if I was posting it in a discussion or in an assignment, wherever I want this PowerPoint to go into is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to add a page. And I think this was called Automation and Robotics or something. Automation and Robotics PowerPoint. So I'm going to type it in like that. Then I come down in this part and I'm going to insert content. And what I'm going to insert is image media. And it's going to be media from the web. And I need a link, so it's going to actually be media. And I'm going to click there and I'm going to right click and paste. I'm going to say insert media. Now when I do that, I should be able to click create. You get this little yellow placeholder thing here. It should load for me pretty quickly because it's not too big of a PowerPoint. So I now have this page created called Automation and Robotics PowerPoint. When I click on it and go into the page, here is my PowerPoint. So now instead of opening this, it's embedded in this page. So I think they can maximize it here if they want to. Oh, it does open in PowerPoint Online. Okay, that's fun. But just to keep it small, it could be right here. What is the difference? Blah, blah, blah. Like click through here, like, oh, this is so boring, Mr. No, this is the worst. But it's now embedded in Schoology so they can see my PowerPoint rather than have to click it, open it, save it, or make a bunch of changes, especially if I'm doing like my intro one. I don't want them to steal the pictures and make fun of my face. So I hope this helps, Jennifer. Let me know if it does not. Excellent.